Good morning, friends. I am going to be asking you to take a look at extra math today and every day for about 5-10 minutes, just doing some math facts to help you with your fluency in addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. So this is how you would get to it. You would actually go to Clever. I'm going to actually just Google Clever. I'm going to go to Clever Login on Google, and automatically it'll ask me if I want to sign in with Google, which I do. If you do not have the extra math icon down below on your Clever page, so I have it on mine, but you guys may not have it on yours down here. So if you don't have it on yours yet, what you can do is go back up to the top where it says J Stasiuk's page. You're going to click on it, and you'll see that I added a new icon here. Okay, so we're going to open that up, and it's going to bring you to extra math, and you'll see where your name is and where you can start. I think it's pretty cool because you'll see actually some students have already gone in and they already did a lot of work with it. You'll see something like, I'm going to just share Samantha's for you. You can see exactly what you scored and how many you got right by looking at your grid. You can also see with a smiley face if you were able to answer your facts within 3 seconds. The check mark is within 10 seconds, and the timer here shows you that you maybe went over 10 seconds and you were not able to beat the time. So the X's mean that they were wrong. So you could see here how Samantha did really well with her math facts. She did 41 problems. And this is just something that I want you to work on 5 to 10 minutes a day so that you can really focus on your math fluency and that will help you with all of our units and especially getting you ready for 5th grade. Okay, boys and girls, have a great day.